You should come and work for Polygon because we are the market leader in the DR&R space. Everybody says that, right? But has everybody else actually got the true capabilities that we've got? I'm not sure that they have. We can literally handle everything from a spilt glass of red wine on the carpet right through to a major complex loss and everything in between.
Working at Polygon allows me to express myself. It allows me to develop myself and colleagues. It gives me the freedom to work in different sectors.
Working at Polygon for me is an absolute privilege. Joining a business that absolutely goes out of their way to support not only their employees, who are clearly our biggest assets. Without them, we couldn't run the business that we do. But for me, it's about helping other people, helping our policyholders in times of difficulty in their lives. So for me, that's what really drives me on.
I think people should come and join Polygon and come and work for us, because it's where you have a real opportunity to make a difference and do something meaningful that really helps people when they're unusually in difficult situations. You can really have a contribution to make things better for people.
Job satisfaction is the most important part of me working at Polygon. And certainly the people that we work with are very, very dedicated. They're passionate about what they do, and that drives me even more to make that happen for our customers as well.
We have so many different arms to the business that can cater for so many skills. It's a very inclusive company. There's just so much available. There's a lot of support there, whether that's from the training to everybody else within the business. And it's that understanding of where you fit in. I think that's another key one, is you have the sense of belonging to, in a sense.
Why should people come and join us? It's just a fantastic place. It's the people. You know, for me, it feels like a family, because I got the family of my CDS team, where everyone knows each other. We know each other's partners. We know each other's, but you know when you're having a bad day, people put their arm around you and help you. The SMT, I've got anyone that will help me. If I've got a problem, anyone in the organisation, I'm sure if I ask them, can you help me with this? I've never had somebody say no.
Working at Polygon is like being part of a family. We genuinely work together to support each other, and within the 25 years that I've been at Polygon, I've had a number of opportunities to support my growth and development.
So working at Polygon means, for me, making a difference to people's lives on a daily basis.
To work at Polygon has given me the vehicle in my life to be able to passionately take care of people.
Ultimately, I just think it's a very comfortable and really good company to work for.
I think in leak detection and across the company, we provide an opportunity for people to have a career, and that provides them the opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. And also within leak detection, we encourage people to look at their development so that they may be the future team leaders or managers within the department.
Sum up Polygon in one word: fabulous.